Good morning student, welcome to the e-learning class. This is chapter 8, more on scratch. Now today we will read this chapter. Okay, so let's start. Carol is in class 4. She is playing her favorite game on her computer with her cousins. She is enjoying the game. Her elder brother Ethan is in class 7. She tells him that she wants to draw a cartoon character and move it just like that in a video game. Can I do that? She asks her brother Ethan. Of course, you can do that in Scratch, he replies. Yay, I have learned about Scratch in class 3, but I want to know more. Can you help me? She asks Ethan. Yes, but first, let's know about some of the features of Scratch, he replies. Ethan tells Carol that Scratch is a visual programming language primarily intended for kids. It is used to create interactive stories, games, and animation. You can share your creations with the internet community as well, he tells Carol. Adding a new sprite. Can I delete the default sprite and add a different sprite? Carol asks Ethan. Yes, you can do that easily, replies Ethan. Ethan then demonstrates how to add a new sprite. There is the new sprite section above the sprites pane to add new sprites. It has 4 icons to add a sprite. Choose a sprite from the library. You can insert a sprite from the Scratch library. After opening the sprite library, you can choose the desired category on the left and select the sprite. Paint a new sprite. You can draw a new sprite using this. After clicking on it, the paint editor opens on the right where you can draw the new sprite. The new sprite gets automatically added to the sprites list. Upload sprite from file. You can even add a sprite saved on your computer after clicking on it. The Select Files to Upload dialog box opens up, in which you can select the file you want to insert. Click on the Open button. The selected file will be added to the sprites list. New sprite from camera. You can add a sprite using your webcam by clicking on a पिक्चर अगर आपको ऐड करना है न्यू स्प्राइट देन आप न्यू स्प्राइट को भी ऐड कर सकते हो. उसके लिए आप सबसे पहले डिफ़ॉल्ट स्प्राइट को डिलीट करते हैं एंड देन आप स्प्राइट पेन पर जाते हैं. वहाँ पे आप देखते हैं आपके पास 4 ऑप्शंस होते हैं जहाँ से आप ऐड कर सकते हो स्प्राइट को. पहला होता है चूज़ स्प्राइट फ्रॉम द लाइब्रेरी. सेकेंड वन है पेंट अ न्यू स्प्राइट. थर्ड अपलोड स्प्राइट फ्रॉम फाइल एंड फोर्थ वन इज़ न्यू स्प्राइट फ्रॉम कैमरा. तो आप इन चारों में से किसी भी ऑप्शंस का यूज़ करके ऐड कर सकते हो स्प्राइट. ओके. चेंजिंग कॉस्ट्यूम्स. Alongside the scripts tab, there is another tab, says Ethan. And what is that meant for? Asks Carol. That is the costume tab, Ethan replies and begins explaining it. If you want to change the appearance, size or the direction of the sprite, you can easily do that with this tab. And what are these 4 options below new costumes? Carol asks another question. These are used to add a costume. Let's know about all of them. Ethan tells Carol. Choose costume from library. Used to add a costume from the costume library. Paint new costume, used to draw a new costume in the paint editor. Upload costume from file used to add another image of the sprite stored on your computer. New costume from camera used to choose your photo or any other picture and add it. That's all about it, asks Carol. No, there is more to this. You can even delete a costume if you don't like it, he replies. And how can I do that? She asks. Just select the sprite in the costumes area and click on the cross button on the top right corner of the costume. You can also right click the costume and select the delete option, replies Ethan. Can I use a copy of the same sprite? Asks Carol. Yes, you can make a copy of it. Right click on the sprite and select the duplicate option, replies Ethan. ये कॉस्ट्यूम टैब की हेल्प से आप चेंज कर सकते हैं स्प्राइट के अपीयरेंस को, साइज को और डायरेक्शन को। उसके लिए आपको 4 ऑप्शंस दिए होते हैं। चूज कॉस्ट्यूम फ्रॉम लाइब्रेरी, पेंट न्यू कॉस्ट्यूम, अपलोड कॉस्ट्यूम फ्रॉम फाइल एंड न्यू कॉस्ट्यूम फ्रॉम कैमरा। एडिंग साउंड्स टैब. Do you want to add sound to your sprite? Ethan asked. That would be quite interesting. Please tell me how I can do that, asked Carol. You can do that with the help of the Sounds tab, replies Ethan. Ethan tells Carol that the Sounds tab is located to the right of the Costumes tab. First, click on the sprite and then on the Sounds tab. He explains further. What are these 3 options below new sound? Asks Carol. Ethan tells her that these are the ways to add sound to the sprite. He then explains the options one by one to Carol. Choose sound from library. Clicking on this option opens the sound library. You can select a category on the left and choose a sound. To preview the selected sound, click on the play button. Click on the OK button to add the selected sound to the sprite. Record new sound. This option lets you record sound and add it to the script. Upload sound from file. This option lets you upload an audio file stored in your computer. When you click on this option, the Select Files to Upload dialog box opens up. Choose the file you wish to upload and click on Open. Carol tells Ethan that he missed something. What is that? He asks. New sprite and new backdrop, Carol replies. Ethan then asks Carol to first add a new sprite. Thereafter, he explains the new backdrop option. अगर आपको ऐड करना है साउंड, देन आप साउंड्स टैब की हेल्प से ऐड कर सकते हो। ठीक है, आपका जो साउंड्स टैब होता है वो लोकेटेड होता है राइट साइड में कॉस्ट्यूम्स टैब के। ठीक है, आप 3 तरीके से साउंड को ऐड कर सकते हो। फर्स्ट है चूज़ साउंड फ्रॉम लाइब्रेरी, सेकेंड है रिकॉर्ड न्यू साउंड एंड थर्ड वन इज़ अपलोड साउंड फ्रॉम फाइल। ओके, तो आप इन तीनों में से किसी भी ऑप्शन का यूज़ करके ऐड कर सकते हो साउंड को। एडिंग अ बैकड्रॉप. Ethan tells Carol that backdrop is the background of the stage area and the backdrop option is used to change it. Carol notices that there are 4 options to add a backdrop to a stage. Just like a sprite, Ethan explains these to her. Choose backdrop from library. This option lets you add a backdrop from the backdrop library. Click on this button. The backdrop library opens up. Select the desired backdrop and click on the OK button. Paint new backdrop. This option lets you draw the backdrop. On clicking on this option, the paint editor opens. You can draw the backdrop and use it. Upload backdrop from file. This option lets you use an image saved on your computer as the backdrop. New backdrop from camera. This option lets you clicking a picture using a webcam and use it as the backdrop. बैकड्रॉप क्या होता है? बैकड्रॉप आपका बैकग्राउंड है स्टेज एरिया का, ठीक है। अगर आपको अपना बैकग्राउंड चेंज करना है देन आप बैकड्रॉप ऑप्शन का यूज़ करके चेंज कर सकते हो अपने बैकग्राउंड को, ओके। आप 4 वे से ऐड कर सकते हो बैकड्रॉप। फर्स्ट, चूज़ बैकड्रॉप फ्रॉम लाइब्रेरी। सेकेंड, पेंट न्यू बैकड्रॉप। थर्ड, अपलोड बैकड्रॉप फ्रॉम फाइल। एंड फोर्थ, न्यू बैकड्रॉप फ्रॉम कैमरा। Working with 2 sprites, Carol asks Ethan to help her create an underwater scene with a scuba diver and an octopus. Ethan guides Carol through the following steps. Remove the cat sprite. You can see only one stage. This is stage 1 backdrop. Choose an underwater one background from new backdrop. Now choose Diver 2 as a new sprite and Octopus as another sprite. Drag both the sprites to the extreme left. Click on the Diver 2 sprite and begin adding blocks. Drag the when flag clicked block and place the forever block after this. Inside the forever block, add move 10 steps. Wait 1 second and change X by 10 blocks 1 after the other. Change the value of the wait 1 seconds block to 0.1. Now click on the octopus sprite. Drag the when flag clicked block and place the forever block after this. Inside the forever block, add move 50 steps. Next costume, wait 1 second and change X by 10 blocks. Change the value of the wait 1 second blocks to 0.5. To execute the scripts, click on the green flag. The forever block. Ethan tells Carol that adding the same blocks again and again is often time consuming. To perform a command unlimited times, the forever block is used. He tells Carol. He shows the block to Carol, which is found under the control group. He tells Carol that the code to be repeated is enclosed inside it. Let us create a simple script that uses the forever block. He tells Carol. Example 1. To create a continuous cuboidal path using the forever block. From the control group, drag the forever block to the scripts area. In the forever block, drag the pen down, move 50 steps, turn right 90 degrees, change X by 1 and change Y by 1 blocks 1 by 1. Click on the blocks. You will see that the sprite is creating a cuboidal path by itself. फॉरएवर ब्लॉक का हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं परफॉर्म करने के लिए कमांड को अनलिमिटेड टाइम तक, ओके। फॉरएवर ब्लॉक जो होता है वो हमारा कंट्रोल ग्रुप के अंदर होता है, ठीक। सेटिंग द स्प्राइट पोजीशन. Ethan now tells Carol that the sprite position can be set. He explains that the coordinates on Scratch stage runs from x equals to minus 240 to 240 to y equals to minus 180 to 180. The sprite is usually located at x equal to 0, y equal to 0. You can detect the change in the position of the sprite by simply dragging it and observing the change in the coordinate system. The motion blocks help us in dragging the sprite to a different position. He explains and makes it clearer by using an example. Example 2. He drags when flag clicked and forever blocks to the scripts area. Inside the forever block, he drags the move 10 steps block and changes its value to 100. Beneath the move 100 steps block, he starts dragging these blocks one by one. Wait 1 second, set x to 0, change its value to 100, turn right 15 degrees, change its value to 90, set y to 0, change its value to 100. Wait 1 second, change size by 10, change its value to -5, change color effect by 25, change its value to 35. He now clicks on the green flag and observes how the sprite changes its position, size and color on the stage. आप स्प्राइट की पोजीशन को भी सेट कर सकते हैं. उसके लिए आप क्या करते हो, आप देखते हो आपका जो कोऑर्डिनेट होता है स्क्रैच स्टेज का, वो रन करता है फ्रॉम x टू y. जो x की वैल्यू होती है वो होती है -240 टू 240 और y की जो वैल्यू होती है वो होती है -180 टू 180. ठीक है. और जो आपका यूजुअली स्प्राइट होता है वो लोकेटेड होता है x इक्वल्स टू 0 एंड y इक्वल्स टू 0. ठीक है. तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, आप वहाँ से स्प्राइट की पोजीशन को सेट कर सकते हो. रोटेटिंग द स्प्राइट. Ethan now tells Carol that the eye icon in the sprite pane contains rotation style with 3 different styles. First, to help in rotating the sprite in complete rotation. Second, to change the sprite facing. Third, to rotate the sprite on its center point. We can make a sprite move forward and backward in a lane, Ethan tells Carol. It sounds interesting, but it seems a little difficult, says Carol. No, not at all. Let's know how we can do that, replies Ethan. Carol follows these instructions given by Ethan. She deletes the cat sprite and changes the background to brick wall 1. She then adds Jamie walking sprite to the stage. She then drags when flag clicked block to the scripts area. She then drags set rotation style left right and forever blocks under when flag clicked block. She then drags move 10 steps, wait 1 second, next costume and if on edge bounce in the forever block. She then changes the time in wait block to 0.1 seconds. To execute it, she clicks on green flag. रोटेट करने के लिए स्प्राइट आप देखते हो आपके स्प्राइट पेन पे आई आइकन दिया होता है जो कि कंटेन करता है रोटेशन स्टाइल 3 डिफरेंट स्टाइल के साथ. पहला ऑप्शन स्प्राइट को हेल्प करता है रोटेट करने के लिए कंप्लीट रोटेशन में. ठीक है. सेकंड जो है वो चेंज करता है स्प्राइट फेसिंग एंड जो थर्ड वन है वो रोटेट करता है स्प्राइट को उसके सेंटर पॉइंट पर. ओके. चेंजिंग द पेन कलर. कैरोल नोज that she can draw a line, square or circle with the help of sprite. Ethan tells her that she can change the shade of a shape continuously like a rainbow. He then begins to explain the pen block can be used to draw anything with the movement of the sprite. The shades of the pen color usually vary from the lightest, which is 0, to the darkest, which is 100. Ethan makes it clearer to Carol by Giving the following example. Example 3. To draw a line of changing color shades. Delete the cat sprite and add the ball sprite to the stage. Drag the forever block to the scripts area. Inside the forever block, drag these blocks one by one. Change pen shade by 10. Change pen color by 10. Change pen size to 1. Change its value to 20. Pen down. Move 10 steps. Click on the blocks to make the sprite create a line of changing colors. आप स्प्राइट की हेल्प से ड्रॉ कर सकते हो लाइन, स्क्वायर और सर्किल, और आप शेप के शेड को भी कंटिन्यूसली चेंज कर सकते हो लाइक अ रेनबो. ओके, पेन ब्लॉक का हम लोग यूज़ कर सकते हैं ड्रॉ करने के लिए किसी भी चीज़ को स्प्राइट के मूवमेंट के साथ. पेन कलर का जो शेड्स होगा वो वेरी करेगा फ्रॉम द लाइटेस्ट टू द डार्केस्ट. आपकी जो लाइटेस्ट शेड की वैल्यू होगी वो 0 होगी, और जैसे जैसे वैल्यू बढ़ती जाएगी शेड्स आपके डार्क होते जाएंगे, और जो आपका सबसे डार्केस्ट शेड होगा उसकी वैल्यू होगी 100. ओके. Playing instruments. Ethane tells Carol that we can make our sprite play instruments. Ethane asks Carol to make the sprite play the piano. She follows these instructions given by Ethane. She deletes the cat sprite and changes its background to spotlight stage. She then adds new sprite as piano electric. She then drags when flag clicked and forever blocks to the scripts area. Inside forever block, she begins dragging the blocks. Play note 60 for 0.5 beats. And next costume one by one 4 times consequently. She changes the values in the play note to 92, 97, 102 and 107 and the beats to 2 in all the blocks. She clicks on the green flag to execute it. Now your chapter is complete. Thank you class. Till then, stay home, stay safe.